Welcome to the Indian Trade Portal tutorial. This video will guide you on how to efficiently access and navigate the platform to obtain valuable trade-related insights. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit www.indiantradeportal.in. This official portal, developed and managed by FIO, provides critical trade information, including export-import data, product-wise tariff details, and market intelligence. The homepage offers direct access to essential features such as trade statistics, tender and trade opportunities, and export promotion schemes. To explore details regarding export policies, tariffs, duty drawbacks, and other relevant trade regulations, utilize the search bar by entering either a product description or HS code. For example, if searching for leather jackets, enter the term in the product description box or enter the HS code for leather jackets and click on Find. The system will then display corresponding 6-digit and 8-digit HS codes, along with the product description and the option to choose whether you want to import or export. Select the code that best matches your product, choose the export option, and click Search. On the next screen, you can see the list of all the countries. Select up to 5 countries where you wish to view tariff and export duty details. At the moment, you can select up to 5 countries from the given countries. After making your selection, click Next. The system will then display the HS codes applicable to the selected countries. Choose the most relevant HS code that aligns with your product and proceed by clicking Next. The next window will present tariff details for each of the selected country. To access specific export policies, click on the Export Policy tab, which will display a pop-up containing relevant regulations and guidelines. To view duty drawback rates, click on the corresponding tab. A pop-up window will appear, providing detailed information on unit, duty drawback rate along with the product descriptions. Additional tabs provide insights into schemes such as interest subvention, RoDTEP, and other applicable GST levies. You can print tariff details for the selected countries directly from this page if required. Returning to the homepage, you can access SPSTBT alerts, which are updated on a daily basis. These alerts can be filtered based on parameters such as date range or country name. On the right side of the homepage, a blue-colored tab labeled Trade Tender Queries provides access to country-wise tenders and trade opportunities. These entries are posted as soon as they are received from Indian missions and embassies. Users must log into the portal to view detailed information. Another key feature available on the homepage is trade statistics. Clicking on this section reveals India's top 25 export markets, including regions such as SAARC, ASEAN, the EU, and Gulf nations, etc. You can select a specific country, and the system will display trade data from the last 3 years, highlighting year-on-year growth and CAGR trends for the top 25 exported products to that market. Additionally, the Indian Trade Portal provides a dedicated section featuring the latest trade news and upcoming events relevant to exporters and businesses. This concludes the tutorial on navigating the Indian Trade Portal. We encourage you to explore the platform and leverage its features to enhance your international trade operations.